Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 119 Arundel Road. This is a 3-bedroom semi-detached property which is for sale with no onward chain. Off-road parking here at the front and lovely garden to the rear. Then just here at the back of the property we can see where the access is and the gate leading into the rear garden. Okay, then moving into the property, and we have the hallway here going up to the first floor. We've got the kitchen straight ahead, and then on the right hand side we have the open plan living and dining room. So a bow window here to the front aspect. Really nice size living space, and there's also a door going out into the garden from here. Then we have the kitchen. Again, having an aspect to the rear. There's also a useful built-in understairs storage pantry, currently housing the fridge freezer, and then through to the lean-to, which has access from the front leading through to the rear. And there's also a useful built-in store in here as well. And then onto the first floor, we've got the landing area here with the loft access above. Then we have 3 bedrooms and the shower room up here. Starting with the first bedroom here at the front of the property. So a nice sized double room. We also have the 3rd bedroom here at the front of the house. Then we have the 2nd bedroom. This one having some fitted furniture, wardrobes and dressing table. But again, good double room. And this one has an aspect to the rear across the garden. And then into the shower room where you have the toilet, wash basin and corner shower cubicle. The airing cupboard is also in here, which houses the gas boiler. Okay, then just heading outside into the garden, we have a paved patio area here and ornamental pond. Which then leads up to a lawned section. And a further patio space. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please contact the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.